Alright, crew. As you can see, I'm in the empty house because she took it. And that's why I'm unboxing these Divorced Dad cards. Not actually, but we are just moving, but hopefully we pull the house in this one. So if you're unfamiliar with these, I've had to wait about 3 months to get this shipped from America. And essentially...
You don't know what you're getting.
I don't know what I'm getting. So this is a birthday present. So I know that it costs around 150 AUD, but I'm not sure what combo of Divorced Dads this is. So we've got a binder here, which actually feels like some quality. Like, this actually feels like some sort of leather or pleather or something like that. So the binder in there, you can see a little card doohickeys, there's felt in here. That's quite nice. So this is the Master Beta deck.
Oh my gosh, I just got that.
And with this we've also got 2 Age of Alimony booster packs. The Master Beta. And a Wampa here. Alright.
That's it.
That's it. They are kind of expensive, so I reckon we're going to unbox this starter pack first. Now I'm fairly certain that all the Master Betas come as like one standard set. So
Wow, that's a lot of cards.
we've got like a bit of a ruled guide on how to play. Then, so these were wrapped like a pack of cigarettes. So let's go. We've got a little QR code. So we've got shingles. Yeah, nobody wants shingles. Lawnmower, great card. Erectile dysfunction, you don't want that. Stool softener. Taxes, always a pain. Blood pressure. Camping, this was a terrible idea. Smoked meat. Now you gotta have camping and smoked meat, they go together really well. Shovel the driveway. You do not want to play that with camping. Prostate exam. Prostate exam will usually come after erectile dysfunction, as we're seeing. Pick up basketball. Parking lot cry. Now, erectile dysfunction and parking lot cry will usually come after each other again. Nose hair trimmer. Leather chair. Lead fumes. So this is it's a tool type card. Indigestion. Heartburn. I've had this card a few times before. Heart attack. You don't want that one.
That's where you're heading.
Hangover. This looks a bit like the Skull Knight from Yu-Gi-Oh! Then we got dating apps. A lot of fellas on this one. Call your ex.
We'll just keep quiet on that one.
Unfinished basement. Very in Australia this could just be like shed with chair in it.
It's pretty finished to me.
Parking lot. New condo. So as we're getting in the new condo, that's a rare one. Man cave. Snowblower. Fishing trip. CPAP machine. I love the illustration for that one. We got bald spot.
You'll never have that.
Back scratcher. You got your back scratcher. Perfectly cooked steak. Now this is a fairly rare card.
Is it?
I mean, it should be. New girlfriend.
Damn straight.
In-laws. This is a card that I've had commonly played. Ex-wife.
Seem to be familiar with that card.
DUI. Morning breath.
Is there about 10 of those cards?
Man's best friend.
Oh, yeah.
Last call.
The illustration is so good.
Yeah. Getting six.
Oh my god, that card's made for Dad. It's like Lord of the Rings. That's funny.
Drinking buddy.
But we have no friends.
Yeah, we do.
Jokes.
Wedding ring, which is a cursed card.
Oh, these are like shiny ones.
Beer gut, so these are the hollows. Midlife crisis. And the judge.
Cool.
Now, as Graham said, you definitely want the judge on your side.